Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your Steam account name. I show you guys how to do that. First open up Steam. You just need to click on the current username over here. Opens up a profile. You just need to select the edit profile. Click on it. Now under the general, this is profile name and this is real name. This is profile game name guys. That's the mention like profile name. And custom URL profile will be available at this URL. Copy if I copy this URL and you can visit this profile. In profile name you just need to change it guys. After changing your profile name you just need to scroll down, select save for save changes guys. After doing it your profile name has been changed guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.